All right, everyone. Today is June 20th. It is day 97 of my journey through coding. I have not made a video in a long time. That video was recorded almost 2 months ago. It will be 2 months, a week from today. It has been a long time since I actually got to work on coding and taking any notes on my lessons through EJS or going through the course on Udemy from Angela Yu. I've been pursuing a dream, doing something a little bit more focused on stuff outside of coding for the last 2 months. I was on vacation for a week there with my family in North Carolina, and now I'm back, and I am kind of still mourning actually the death of that dream that I was pursuing over those last 2 months. So I had kind of put coding on hold, and I think that the tendency that you have to avoid when a dream kind of falls apart is that you fall apart with it. So I think that one of the techniques or strategies I'm going to try to employ to keep myself from doing that is to just kind of find the things that I am working on, the dreams that I do have that I'm still pursuing, and continue to work really hard on those. But I honestly kind of struggling to remember some of the things that I had been learning most recently. This is the app, of course, the to-do list that I have been working on with understanding templates and EJS, and I know a little bit about what that was like, and I can remember a little bit about where I left off through my curriculum here, 60% of the way through, but I'm going to have to probably redo some of these lessons here. And this video is more or less just kind of catching you up on what's going on and documenting for myself, hopefully when I become a little bit more of a master at some of the things I'm trying to learn now, to see how that progress made at least some headway on those goals of mastery. I haven't been completely lazy though. I have been working on an app actually, with the help of our graphics vendor, The Weather Company. I've been kind of putting together something that is probably a little bit more private than I should be sharing on this YouTube channel. But basically, I've been working on designing this app and not so much programming it, but at least putting in some of the design lessons that I learned from Angela in this class to work. Of course, I have other projects that I want to work on too. The Tennessee Weather Desk, as I showed you earlier in this video series, I really want to make this a reality. And I finally, I think, am going to really make some progress on that here in the next couple of months once the app is finished and the app has been launched, which is supposed to be September 1st. And the beta test is going to start next week, actually, once I submit it tomorrow. So hopefully I'll put out more videos, a little bit more about some of the knowledge that I'm trying to gain. And I guess I got to find out what the next thing is after EJS databases and SQL, MongoDB. So I know there's a lot left to go, a lot left to do. So I'm going to focus on that. If you've been watching, thanks for tuning in. If you got any tips on how to grieve or how to deal well with mourning the loss of a dream, please let me know. Kind of built this more again for documentation of my learning about coding and not so much of interaction. But if you're wanting to interact, then please do. Let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you soon.